Annular solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse. Annular solar eclipse happens when the moon covers the sun's center, leaving the sun visible other edges of from a ring of fire, or annular around the moon. Solar eclipse happens when the new moon casts a shadow on it. The moon shadow is not big enough to engulf the entire planet, so the shadow is always limited to a certain area. When do they happen? First, it is new moon. 2. At the same time, the moon is a or over every near a lunar node, so the Earth, the moon, and the sun are alike in a straight or nearly straight line. 3. The moon is near its further point from it, called a point, so the other edge of the sun remains visible as a ring of smoke. Strike of an annular solar eclipse. First contact, the Mont bonnet start becoming visible in front of the sun disk. The sun looks as if a bite has been taken from it. Second contact. For a few seconds, just as the annularity begins heard, white-like beads of light can sometimes be seen at the edge of the moon silhouettes. Maximum eclipse. The moon covers the center of the sun disk. Third context. The moon moving away from the disk of the sun. Once again, barely beads may be visible along the moon's leading edge. Fourth contact. The moon stops overlapping the sun disk. The eclipse and the disk take. How long does it last? Annular eclipse can last over 3 hours in locations where annularity is visible. From start to finish, the total duration of annular eclipse can be over 6 hours but not in a single location. The annularity when only a ray of fire is visible in the sky can range from less than a second to over 20 minutes. Project your ear. Never look at the sun, eclipse, or otherwise with her ears projection. Like eclipse glasses, the sun rays can bar the retinas in the eyes, leading to permanent damage or even blindness. A safe way to watch a solar eclipse is to wear protective eclipse glasses or to project in image the eclipse sun using a pinhole projector. The animation shows what the eclipse approximately looked like near the maximum point. It was the last solar eclipse of 2019. The central part of the 2019 annular eclipse passed through Saudi Arabia Peninsula, South India, Sumatra, Borneo, Philippines, and Guam. A partial eclipse was visible thousands of kilometers wide from the central part. It covered small parts of eastern Europe, much of Asia, North or West Australia, east in Africa, Pacific, and Indian Ocean. The eclipse started with an penumbra having a magnitude of 0.96. It reached 164 km wide and traveled toward the edge at an average rate of 1.1 km per second. The longest duration of annularity was 3 minutes and 14 seconds.